The Agile Business Analyst, as we've said, considers the business as a whole, or holistically, and facilitates solutions to business problems and opportunities. It's an essential part of the role, and one that many organizations fail to leverage as they restrict business analysts' access to the wider business strategy. Despite organizationally imposed limitations, there are some skills and mindsets that will allow you to carry out the role to as much of its full potential as possible. Before we dive into these, please bear in mind these are not locked-down characteristics that all business analysts must necessarily have. Firstly, a business analyst should try to be adaptable and flexible, as anyone working in an agile way will know. This is the essence of agility. An agile business analyst defines improvements to ways of working, supports decision makers, facilitates requirements gathering, and models solutions. The Agile Business Analyst does not focus solely on software development, nor are they committed to any specific process. What they are committed to is solving business issues wherever they crop up in the organization. The Agile Business Analyst must be able to adapt to business processes, or even lack of process, in order to promote improvement and resolve problems. We can say that the Agile Business Analyst is a leader in providing these solutions and improvements, and they do this by looking at what is needed now and looking to what is needed in the future. This is also known as the as-is and to-be vision. That part of the role, as you might be starting to pick up, is about implementing change, and we will look at models that support the introduction of that a little bit later on. In order to make a change initiative stick, Agile Business Analysts need to understand and engage widely across their whole organization. The Agile BA needs to maintain a focus on the overall goal that will be met once a project is completed. They need to keep the goal of the solution at the forefront of their minds and to be able to identify if and when a project starts to deviate from that goal, or if the problem has already been solved. An emphasis on keeping the big picture in mind is invaluable. Another characteristic of the Agile Business Analyst is to challenge stakeholders and their expressed needs to make sure the solution that is being worked on will solve the right problem. The Agile Business Analyst comes into contact with a range of different people at all levels within a business. Throughout all their communications, empathy and understanding will prove vital. An Agile Business Analyst is, fundamentally, a mediator and a liaison between different disciplines. A focus on building and maintaining relationships is a core characteristic for the Agile Business Analyst. They need to be comfortable talking to senior executives about marketplace and competition, and also the development team about user stories, for example. Agile Business Analysts are versatile, flexible, and committed to driving business value by maintaining a clear focus on the goal of a project and how the solution will add value and allow businesses to meet their objectives. They do this by evaluating the conditions that the business operates in and by analyzing both the present and future vision of the organization.